Welcome to FilmPhone's Tutorials. This tutorial will show you how to create missed calls. Start by adding a flow and naming it. Select the phone app in build mode and select Create New Incoming Call. Choose which contact you'd like to be calling, and for initial action, we'll want to choose Missed Call. This will then open up a couple more options. Input how long you want the call to last, we're putting 3 seconds. Then, as an option, you can choose how many missed calls there have been if several are scripted. We're going to say that there's been 3 missed calls. Go back to save it to the flow. Return to home screen and hit Go Live. The flow will start from black as it always does. Trigger the call using number 1 on your Bluetooth keyboard. Our call will ring for 3 seconds before showing us the missed call lock screen notification. You can see that ours says 3 missed calls. This will reflect whatever you input when creating the missed call.